Looking for a place to go to get your Optic K9 crystal of premium quality? Well, there's one spot on the internet you can go to where you'll be able to time efficiently and cost effectively order locally in North America or direct from slab cutting factory in Asia. And I'm going to tell you all about it. Stick around. Cockpit 3D powered by 3dcrystal.com. Next. And welcome back to Cockpit 3D powered by 3dcrystal.com. So HQplus.ca is the location you want to go when you're looking to order premium grade A optic crystal for subsurface laser engraving. Over 20 years ago, I invested in a factory in Asia where we would cut the slabs and supply most of the world. Of course, at that time, it was all about green beam laser technology, and now it's being used by UV laser owners as well. Simply go to HQplus.ca. You'll be able to select if you want to order from Toronto, which is where we export a lot of material for North America, or directly from Asia. Once you place your order, you'll be able to select how quickly you need it, and we'll be able to arrange either cutting it for you, or many times if it's common sizes, we actually have cases ready to ship out. The beauty is that you don't have to order by the pallet. You don't have to order thousands of pieces. We simply require you to order one single case, and the quantity of pieces in a case will range depending on the size of the crystal. Larger sizes of crystal will have only one piece in a case. Some might have 4, 6, 8, 12, but really it's very, very reasonable and affordable as well. So to place your order, you want to have an account on HQplus.ca. To get this account, sign up with cockpit3d.com. Once you're in, click on orders, click on add new order. Over here, it'll already be pre-populated with the address that you had entered at the time that you were signing up for a Cockpit 3D account. Of course, if you need to change anything, you can go ahead and do so directly in the fields. Check mark over here if you need a tailgate. So if you're ordering large quantity and if you don't have a dock, just check mark this and we'll arrange to ensure that your product is delivered with the right carrier. This is where you'll select the shape or the size of what you're looking for. In this case, I'm going to search for a rectangle medium, which is right over here. It's the standard most common volume driver. It's the 80-50-50 is what we call it, which is 80 millimeters by 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters. You'll see one case has 12 units. Now I'm going to keep the pricing blocked or blurred out over here only because I want this video to remain evergreen. However, I have been told directly with feedback from many YouTube influencers who have reached out to us and spoken to us and given us their feedback that they're extremely happy with our quality, and I'll tell you why shortly. But beyond that, they're surprised that the pricing that we're selling it for from Toronto is lower than many of the suppliers they're seeing in Asia. And of course, we have the benefit of owning a factory that cuts the slabs and the economies of scale from the quantity of laser operators that we supply to. Now, what do they love about the quality? First and foremost, you know when you go to the grocery store and you're seeing those red, shiny apples that look picture perfect? That's considered grade A quality. And then if you go to a cheaper grocery store, you'll see the grade B and the grade C, the ones with blemishes and marks, right? Maybe some dents as well. Well, in our world, when we're cutting the slabs and we make our way right to the end, the final step is critical. What we do with every blank piece is we shine extremely bright lights through it, and we inspect it very, very carefully to see, number one, are there any inclusions in the crystal? But more importantly, that number two is what is generally invisible to the naked eye. And what we're searching for is any sort of a mild dent or imperfection on the surface of the crystal that will cause the laser to refract. Remember, in this case, it's not surface etching where it really wouldn't matter. It's subsurface etching, and therefore any imperfection on the surface will cause that beam to refract, bounce off. It won't make its way inside, and therefore you will start seeing imperfections in the crystal. Many of you have probably already seen this, where you're ordering crystals from other suppliers. Some crystals are turning out okay, others aren't burning at all, and some of them are kind of half. A little bit is burning, but as you make your way to the edges, it's fading out. And that's really what I'm talking about. And that's what it's all about. Now, beyond the quality of the crystal, I'm a stickler for the finer details. And so what we pay attention to is the perimeter of the crystal. We take extra effort on the facets, on the deeper bevels, just because it looks that much better. We pay attention to the boxing and we make sure that it's premium. The sleeve has authentic and original embossed on it because we pioneered it, but we don't brand it. So therefore, you can sell it with us remaining hidden as your supplier. We have a textured box. As you run your fingers over it, you'll feel it. It feels premium. We have a magnet on the lip of the opening so that it has that nice little snap to it. When you open up the gift box, you'll see a satin interior. You'll see a business card ribbon on the inner lid. You'll also see a red microfiber cloth. You know, it's not just the final product, it's the unboxing and it's the overall premium experience that's so important. And this is what we provide. I think that what really is the icing on the cake is that when you're part of the ecosystem, what's happening here is that for every piece that you're purchasing through HQplus.ca, you're getting a token. And that token acts as credit towards the cost of your 3D conversion that you're placing on Cockpit 3D and Cockpit 3D's FastPass account. So I'm not going to share the actual savings only because, again, I want this video to remain evergreen. However, you will find this out when you're dialoguing with us directly or when you log into your account and view the accountancy as well. So HQ Plus is the place to go if you're seeking K9 Optic Crystal. If you have any questions, any comments, please place them here on the YouTube channel directly under the video and we'll be happy to reply back and service you as required. Thank you for watching as always, and if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe.